my name is Dave with Mountain Wind Yurts. The slideshow that you will see shortly will show you the ease of installation and assembly of the Mountain Wind Yurt. The assembly of the Mountain Wind Yurt is extremely easy. The kit has everything in it that you need to put it up fast and efficiently. With just 2 to 3 people, you can have it up and livable within 4 to 5 hours. All you need is a level area, some gravel, and 21 concrete blocks to set the floor pans on. This gives the yurt exceptional value because everything is included in one package. The installation comes with a package, as well as all the rafters, steel compression rings, the roof itself, the hard cedar siding, a steel compression ring, all the lacing, floor pan, one door, and one window. The sizes available right now are in a 12-foot diameter, which you see behind me, and also a 16-foot diameter with a wall option of 6 or 7 feet.